Hi guys, so share ko lang yung isa sa mga na-discover ko. I think campaign ata ito sa application na ito na kung saan you can get 1 USDT gamit lamang ng 10 pesos guys, no? So, discuss ko yan dito sa video natin today paano siya mapuntahan. And bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no. So punta tayo dito sa isa sa mga application. Meron sila ditong campaign. So nakita ko lang ito nung nagba-browse ako. It's a new user flash sale guys, no. So you can buy 1 USDT at the lowest price kahit 10 pesos lang yung gamit nyo, no. So pwede nyo puntahan yung pinaka-official link ng app na ito. Lalagay ko guys sa description ng video na ito, and you can just explore. If you are interested, you can create an account if you are interested dito guys, no. And then pagkatapos nyan, kapag na-verify na, again, no, I'm just sharing this experience lang, and itong video natin today does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. This is only for educational, and just want to share kung ano yung nakita ko dito na campaign guys, no. So kung sakali man na meron na kayong account and nakapag-login, so pagkatapos nyan, kailangan mo lang dito mag-verify, and then if ever na meron ka ng account, punta ka lang dito sa may P2P, no, dyan sa may home, tapos select mo lang yung pinaka P2P, and then once na ma-select mo yung P2P, ay mapupunta ka dito sa pinaka dashboard. Ito guys is for the verified account. Ayan, makikita mo dito yung new user flash sale guys, no. So merong available dyan, for example itong super calibre. So naka-online siya, and gamit yung 10 pesos ay pwede kang makabili ng 1 USDT dito guys, no. So again, I'm just sharing this one lang. It depends yan guys sa inyo. Ayan, merong badge na new user flash sale sa taas, and 10 PHP can receive 1 USDT guys, no. So as per checking dito, pwede mong gamitin yung GCash, eWallet Maya, GoTime, and other banks guys, no. Maribank PH as well. So like for example Maribank, no, so we can use that as well. Just an example lang guys. And yeah, you can select by quantity and by amount as well, like 10 PHP. So we can also check guys yung pinaka campaign details dito. Ayan, so select mo lang yung pinaka info na ito is applicable for new users nga. They are launching nung limited time na new user flash sale dito. So kapag first time pa lang na nakukuha ka ng USDT, the system will automatic apply yung pinaka discounts, no. So 1 USDT this time will be executed at the ultra low price of 10 PHP guys, no. So yeah, you can explore this campaign guys, no. So if ever na makapag-create kayo ng account, puntahan nyo yung P2P, and if ever na first time nyo pa lang na magamit yung P2P is merong gantong campaign guys, no. So it's a new user flash sale nga dito. And if you have questions guys, feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito. I'm just sharing this campaign lang. And sayang din yun, no. Magkano rin yun? Halos nakakuha ka ng libreng 52 pesos, no. Magkano na $1 ngayon? 61. So you have this free 51 pesos dito guys, no. So yeah, you can explore this one guys. Lalay ko na lang yung pinaka-official link sa description ng video na ito, and if ever na first time mo lang na magkaroon dito ng execution is pwede mong puntahan yun guys, no. For the old user ata or nakapaggawa na ng execution, I think hindi na siya eligible guys, no. So you can explore naman yun guys, and meron namang pinaka-ideas doon sa taas na banner, no. So yun lang guys for today. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Hope this video helps. Ingat tayong lahat, and peace out. Bye for now.